Welcome to Suretypedia, the encyclopedia for surety bonds. Today, we're going to be discussing court bonds. Let's get started. A court bond is a type of surety bond that must be filed with the court responsible for ruling on a court proceeding. Court bonds consist of two primary categories: probate bonds required of court-appointed fiduciaries responsible for managing the estate of a deceased or incompetent person, and civil court bonds required of the defendant or plaintiff in a civil court proceeding. Court bonds protect the court by transferring to a surety bond company the cost of insuring the beneficiary of an estate, or the counterparty to a civil court action is compensated for damages resulting from the principal, the person required to purchase the bond, failing to perform or adhere to a court ruling. The surety company provides the court a guarantee that a damaged party will receive payment for financial damages due to a violation of the court order up to a limit specified in the bond. Ultimately, the bond principals are responsible for their actions and are required by law to reimburse the surety company for any payments made under the bond. Common examples of violations triggering a bond payout include an administrator to the estate of a deceased person using estate assets for her own benefit, or a losing party in an appeal case failing to pay a judgment. Court bonds usually cost between 2% to 5% of the bond amount, but the cost of a specific court bond depends on the type of bond needed. Civil court bonds cost 2% of the bond amount, but the cost is typically reduced if cash collateral is required. Probate bond rates are determined using a sliding scale based on the bond amount, providing a volume discount for larger bond amounts. Thanks for watching Suretypedia's Court Bond Explainer. Learn more about court bonds at suretypedia.com. We'll see you next time.